Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by seating the club in your left hand, then bring your right hand to meet it. Do this now. Place the pad of the right index finger across the grip and wrap the fingers so the V between thumb and forefinger points to your right shoulder. Grip pressure should be light, about 3 to 5 out of 10, because a tight grip kills wrist action. Once done, check that the right palm faces slightly toward your target. This helps control the club face through impact. As you start the backswing, let the right wrist hinge naturally. Don't force it. Keep the forearms working together so the club stays on plane, and feel the right elbow stay near your ribs until mid-backswing. Turn your shoulders about 1 full rotation while holding that hinge. This stores torque. At the top, the right wrist should be slightly cupped, not bowed, and the face controlled. These positions allow your right hand to release correctly later, rather than trying to muscle the shot. Begin the downswing with your hips and legs. Once done, let the right hand trail and then release the stored wrist hinge through impact. Focus on a square club face at contact. The right palm should be turning toward the target as you extend. After impact, the right elbow will naturally straighten. Make sure it does. If you see a persistent slice, make one adjustment. Ease left hand dominance and apply a touch more right hand hold while keeping grip pressure steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.